Hey everyone, so doing a quick voiceover video because accidentally didn't notice my camera wasn't picking up any audio. So I will be going quickly in installation of the dual catch can that Sixth Element Engineering has for sale. Also, I have a little something at the end of the video, so let's get to it. So this is a really nice, not too big box and also not too heavy. They ship the dual catch cans. It's really well packed in a this paper, like cardboard type paper, like recycled paper. It really has a pretty much in it. That's good. Like it's really well packed. I surely love when stuff is really well packed. So I will give a shout out to that. That's a really nice packaging right there. Here it's the cans themselves. They have they came already pre-installed in the bracket they custom make for it. Really nice. I love it has the logo in it. It says GT. The GT, basically you can't see it when it's installed, but it's a really nice touch up they put in it. The paint is the same as the normal factory one they do with short ram intakes. And the braided lines are pretty nice. They feel strong. They're really good. They when you're gonna install them, like make them tight, they're a size 18 millimeter. They give you screw type for clamping the hose downs. They give you a couple of rubber hoses. Card with thank you for your purchase. I'm not sure if they normally do. They send me some stickers too, and they also the packaging slip with all the bits and a really nice paper with a construction of the actual oil catch can. That's really neat. So here you have a close-up of the catch can. It's really, I felt it was like really heavy. The weight is mostly up where the baffle and the small filter is. The can itself, like when you get the can out, it's really lightweight. And then it feels really sturdy. It's really easy to unscrew and screw back in. Forward in the video, I had a small issue. I'm gonna show you guys. So inside there's the baffle. The baffle has their logo engraved there. And the can inside, really basic, normal can. But yeah, there you go. Really nice can. So here I'm showing the tools you are gonna need: a 10 millimeter socket, a flathead screwdriver, also a number 4 Allen key. I just have one of those fancy screwdrivers that you just changed it to. A pliers, and if you have like a adjustable wrench or 18 millimeter wrench, that's basically all you're gonna need. You're gonna start removing a 10 millimeter bolt that is holding that ground wire over there in the picture. start removing the bolt. Alright, so bolt is removed. You grab your cans. It's kind of easier if you. Well, I'm gonna make a note now. So I had a small issue with the can. I had to remove the can so I could install it and then putting the can back in. The horn for the theft deterrent system wasn't the way for putting the can in, so I had to remove the speaker, the horn, put the can, screw it in, and then put back the horn. So that's a small issue I found for myself. Probably later, whenever I'm gonna service my cans, to remove whatever oil has been catched there. But it just a 10 limiter socket, one screw, get it off, put down the horn, get the cans off, put them on again, done deal. So here I'm holding the ground wire at the same time and putting the system, holding it so the wire doesn't fall down, so I can then screw by hand. Then you get the supply bolt they give you with the supply washer, so you can get and screw the other part in. This moments right there is because I left this stuff like tools or parts away. I'm like, damn, there was a washer there. Then I'm same thing, hand screwing again, then getting my tools to make it tight. Now that I had that one snug, went with the 10 millimeter and made it snuggy tight down, then finished off the screw and done deal. Oh, there I also grabbed a small extension so I could reach that bolt without any issue now that the system is basically on there. Make it tight, but don't over torque, or you might strip your screw. And same up here. Just make it tight, but don't over torque, and it shall be good. Then here you're gonna see the issue I had trying to put the can in. I'm like, whoa, what the hell's going on? This thing don't fit. I thought it was not gonna fit at all. The system, like, damn, I bought this thing, it's not gonna fit. Where I'm gonna put this horn now? I'm gonna have to relocate it. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you later what did I do to fix that small issue I had. Also here coming back, I'm showing what was the issue I had. So there's the theft deterrent horn. So back there's a screw holding it. You just remove that screw. I just let it hang down there a minute and then put the cans and screw it back up. Here I am quickly showing you guys how now it looks with the cans in and the horn in its place. It fits, they don't touch, they don't rub. So yeah, that's an extra step I had to take to install it. Depending the year or the car you might have, you might need to do it, you might not need to do it. But if you have that there, now you know that you need to do it.
Brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Ride or die, 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 ride or die. These brothers, my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta die. Ride or die, black. Know that they ride or die.